In this video podcast, I just want to show you how to claim your coupons from Google Cloud Platform, and you should receive your coupons from the email link I provided on Canvas. I may have a different web form to submit, but the idea should be similar. You enter your coupon code and some options, and then you click on accept and continue. That should gives you the billing page. I want you to go to create project. For this course, I will create this project called KSLBD, and I will click on create. And here under this compute engine, it show up is good computing. They're showing good computer region is getting ready. This may take a minute or more. Okay, now the VM instance is already. I want to create a VM instance, and you want to specify a name. I will just call this is SLBD 2017. And you can choose the zone, and because we are in USA, I want to pick, for example, let's pick say US East C, and it will show the price. Maybe USB, and the price is pretty much similar, and I have not researched much about, for example, which one is faster or not, but let's just try US East 1C. And the CPU type, you can choose different CPUs, and if you choose small or micro, it will usually cost less. For this course, we can start with very small CPUs. Let's just say one virtual CPU. And for the disk, let's just get the 10 gigabyte. So because of this, let me try a different version. Let's say change this. I then ask you what boot disk you want, and I'm not particular fan of Debian, though I have used it before. But for this course, I would recommend you to use Ubuntu 16.04 LTS. LTS stands for I believe is long-term solution. Let's select that, and let me see compute engine. They want the different options. Default is read-only access to storage. Okay, now let me try to start my Google Cloud VM. If you check this VM we just created, and click on start and confirm, and it should take less than a minute for this machine to boot up. And of course, the waiting time depends on the availability of the Google Cloud. And now it's boot up. So if you click on this SSH, it will boot up a window, and Now you have a terminal, like you can type your commands and etc. So now let me try to use this like a Linux machine and see how it goes. I want to do is to first install R. Let me try again. Sudo apt cache search rbase, and this shows a lot of packages matching the name rbase. So what we essentially need is this rbase and possibly some other packages as well. For example, rbase development, which is very useful if you are trying to build up R packages using this system. So what we're going to do is apt-get install rbase develop. What else I think I need? Maybe it's also useful to do the HTML as well, and it will compute what are the packages are needed for install R on your computer. As you can see, these are a long list of packages that will be installed under this section, new packages, and some are very useful ones. For example, this rcran NLME, this is some linear mix effect models and that you should use, and this is rcran boot, is for doing bootstrap and etc. So I'll just accept the default option. If you press enter, and it will take some time for it to finish, but as you can see, it is pretty fast.